With Mardi Gras' arrival in the US, we're taking a look at the 5 biggest exterior changes compared to the rest of the Carnival fleet. Coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi, this is Chris Cardona. While watching Mardi Gras arrive into Port Canaveral, I was struck by just how different she looks from other Carnival ships. In fact, with Carnival Liberty and Freedom sailing in right behind Mardi Gras, it was apparent firsthand. Here are 5 exterior elements that make Mardi Gras stand out from any other Carnival ships. We can't highlight the differences between Mardi Gras and the rest of the fleet without mentioning the massive difference in size. Comparing her numbers to Carnival Vista, Horizon, and Panorama, the next largest Carnival ship class, Mardi Gras is 180,000 gross tons, a 35% increase. 1,130 feet long, 75 feet longer, has a 137-foot beam, 15 feet wider, and a maximum capacity of 6,465 guests, an increase of 30% more guests. A fun observation, while I was standing on the roof of Terminal 3 at Port Canaveral, the Carnival Liberty and Freedom were completely out of view when sailing behind the other side of Mardi Gras. One of the most visually striking changes on Mardi Gras is her brand new livery. The wave of blue with red striping that covers the entire bow, then tapers around midship, accenting the remaining length of the hull, looks incredible. What an amazing difference from the stark, all-white hulls of previous ships. It makes a statement and looks very classy at the same time. Knowing how good it looked on Mardi Gras, Carnival has already started to have every other ship receive the same treatment when they enter dry dock in the future. Carnival Magic was the first to receive the new look in May 2021, with Carnival Glory following right afterwards, and what an impact it has even on an older ship. Even the iconic Carnival funnel has a different look. While it's still emblazoned with Carnival colors, it appears shorter and squattier than other ships. Certainly, the Bolt roller coaster circling the funnel and part of the Sport Square complex may make it appear even shorter, but the overall design and dimensions are unique to the XL class. Not new to cruise ships, but a first for Carnival Cruise Line, are the addition of forward view balcony staterooms. On many of the other ships in the fleet, you'll find ocean view rooms, mostly obstructed, and some scenic rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows at the very front of the ship. Mardi Gras has a series of staterooms and suites offering extended forward view balconies. These include the Havana Extended and Corner Cabana Suites, plus the brand new premium category XL Corner Suites and XL Presidential Suites, featuring forward and side view wraparound balconies and an array of new perks. If you look at Carnival's current fleet of ships, from the newly reintroduced Sunshine class, formerly Destiny Triumph class, all the way through the latest Vista class ships, excluding the 4 Spirit class ships that each have their own set of unique attributes, you'll see that the side profiles of each new class are quite similar. Where these ships have uninterrupted rows of balcony staterooms stretching from bow to stern, Mardi Gras has 2 large sections of inset balcony staterooms flanking the midship bump out where the grand central atrium is located. While this design is common on many recent cruise ships from other lines, it will be yet another way of distinguishing Mardi Gras and XL class from any other Carnival ships. Thanks for watching. We look forward to bringing you much more on Mardi Gras in the coming weeks. Don't forget to like this video, request notifications, post your comments or questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.